check this out. It is 9 p.m. and this package came in. I had to help the UPS guy bring it in. We already kind of opened it up. Trent helped me get this off, and just a sneak peek. It even comes with books. It's crazy. But yeah, let's get this unboxed. Oh, right. Look at this. 2 catalogs. I don't know why they sent me this, but looks like they're the exact same thing, so hit me up if you want one. Looks like we have a coffee mug. This might be part of the grill that gets closed up since the exhaust pipes move from left and right to center. Like some screws and bolts. Oh, this is that carbon fiber part where the exhaust will come out of the center. And this, yeah, should all be carbon fiber. Here's the huge bottom part of the diffuser. And I'm almost certain this is also carbon fiber. Woo! Look at that. I actually didn't think it came with this. Wow. This is so nice. Got a couple of brackets. Wow. Packaging on this is crazy. I'm surprised the cats haven't. Oh, no, never mind. Spoke too soon. And if you own a cat, you know cats love boxes. So, of course, she's curious. She's creeping. We got the rest of the exhaust here. I believe this obviously will take it down from 1 to 2. And these are the parts right here. This is the tips that will come out. We'll get all this unwrapped. Obviously when it gets installed, but yeah, more to come. Look at this, the coffee mug comes with some coffee. We got most of the exhaust parts right here in the back, in the trunk, and I got a couple of parts in the front seat riding shotgun with me. So this will be the last time you see and hear the exhaust in the state that it is now, because we're gonna head to the shop now. But yeah, so cold start, coffee, shop. So as you can see, we got the carbon fiber diffuser, and this is the piece where the exhaust tips will be coming out of. Time to get some fills, and it's a cold morning again at 56 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not 7:30, it's actually 6:30. Okay, I got my fresh cup of fills, and it's sitting right here next to the Capristo carbon fiber diffuser. Next stop, we're going to Track Spec Autosports. All right, I could tell we're here because check out that Lotus. They specialize in Lotus, and also there's a little kitty. There's 2 kitties right there. Yeah, check that out. Super nice. All right, Track Spec Autosport. Pikachu still sleeping. It's super early. But let's ew, I see another Lotus there. Let's see what's up. So again, this will be the last time you see this like that. That's going to be different. That's where the exhaust is going to come out of. That's going to be closed up, and then the diffuser will also be carbon fiber. Check out this shop that they have. This is just super nice. If you guys don't know, these outlines represent racetracks. I think most of you watching probably know that already, but if you don't know, yeah, I could tell right off the bat that this big one out here is Laguna Seca. That's the corkscrew right there, and then you have down in here, that is Thunderhill. And Thunderhill is different now, though. They've expanded it to like a huge track. I'm talking way too much about the track, but yeah, this is super cool setup over here. I was telling our guy Herb that's out there that Bobby is the guy that recommended me to this shop. But look at what they have here. They specialize in Lotus, but they do, like, obviously they have Acura NSX. I believe they have some BMWs here, and of course Porsche. And look how awesome that is. The GT3. Another Lotus. Super cool. Pretty cool thing about Track Spec, or the really cool thing about Track Spec, is that These are folks that actually go out and race. So besides having their own shop, you'll see them at the racetrack. Pretty much from what I saw on the website, everyone that works here works on cars and races cars. If not, well, they're at least at the track all together. So that's super cool. Men and women just having a passion for, I guess, mainly Lotuses, but as you saw, with other vehicles as well. There is the Alpha. It's gonna go up soon. So excited. This is funny. This is actually the first time I see the reverse lights on and the tail lights on or anything like that. Because obviously, usually I'm driving it. So cool. That no power steering must suck right now. Look at that Godzilla E46. This is not like my E46 at all. Mainly because it's missing a stereo. Oh yeah, and all the interior. But at least it has a seat. We got the Volkswagen. Super cool amount of cars in and out of the shop. And of course the 4C is going up. Wow. Oh dude, that's so cool. Oh, the carbon fiber looks so good too. See, that's the carbon fiber bits that are gonna go in.
Oh wow. Wow, there's quite a lot of work left, huh? Or
it's shiny, huh?
Quite a bit of work left on it.
It's gonna be a couple hours. We're gonna be trimming down some of the panels, so.
Wow.
What needs to be trimmed down?
This piece right here, because we're gonna replace this grill. And so the other side, I think that's it. That's the only modifications that we're doing.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah, it looks so good. Wow, look at that. Very cool. We're putting them right there. Oh, and you can see now that the one side is already completely out. Look at that, the process, the progress. Awesome. Back at Track Spec, Bobby actually picked me up. We went to Four Corners and for a really fun drive. And I think they're almost done. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at that. Almost done. So nice. All right, we are back here at Track Spec Auto Sports. And here we have it, the Alfa Romeo 4C. She's all done. And check this out. Super excited. Carbon fiber diffuser, Capristo exhaust, fully installed. This looks so much better, I think, than it did stock. Let's turn it on. I don't know how long it's been since they last turned it on. Maybe it was in the morning, so this might be a cold start, it may not be. Let's see. Okay, already tested it. It is a little bit louder. Check this out. Yes, I love it. All right, here's some revs from inside the car. It's in dynamic mode. Here we go. Pretty good. Really though, the magic with this car is when you're driving it. I mean, you heard that. Not today, but another one of these days, I'll get the GoPro down there and you can hear it and see it and smell it. Just kidding. But yeah, let's get the camera outside and do some revs. I think that's enough revs for now. Sorry to anyone out there that It might have bugged. Just beautiful. Look. Check out the carbon fiber. Oh my God, the hot exhaust. The hot exhaust. Oh, look at that. Capristo. Super big opening. Now this is all covered up with the grill. That's all part of the kit. Now they did have to cut in here in order to get the carbon fiber diffuser on, and it should go all the way down. Hopefully you saw that, but all the way down there is where the carbon fiber diffuser. Whoa, that was a tongue twister. Carbon fiber diffuser. But yeah, look at that. That's all covered up. And that's all carbon fiber. Actually, I'm glad this is blacked out because I think in the pictures this is not blacked out. Super happy with this way this turned out. I'll keep pushing videos up on this, review it. Get the GoPro on at some point as well. And just talk about how this exhaust has been treating me after a while of having it on. So, but for now, super happy. The biggest difference is obviously the look, and I'm more than happy to say that when you're driving it, it sounds beautiful. We'll go back in the car as we're driving and try to get some more audio, and hopefully it comes out nice on camera. Let's go. So hopefully the microphone can pick up some of this. We're pretty much at a stop. Oh, I mean, it already sounded amazing, but yeah, that amazingness just got amplified with that new exhaust. Oh, I knew it was gonna look great, but I had no idea. Woo. I had no idea it was gonna sound that good. There's just, I don't know, there's just not a lot of videos out there on the Capristo. I mean, there's only a handful where, you know, people are going up and down and they're that's all good and all, but something like this, man, that sounds good. Here we go. Oh yeah, here's a downshift. Woo. Oh, I love it. All right, we are back home, and hopefully in this lighting you could see it a little bit better. Maybe not, but yeah, look at that. Look how wildly big that orifice is, that hole. But yeah, look at that. All carbon fiber throughout. And you know, I keep forgetting that also the downpipe has been upgraded. We'll compare the old look and the new look right here. Massive shout out to TrackSpec Auto Sports in Fremont. The guys there, Herb is the guy that actually did the install for me. Shout out to John over there. That's gonna do it for now. If you have any questions about the exhaust, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have this exhaust yourself, tell me your experience with it. Or if you're thinking of getting it, yeah, shoot me a question. If you liked the video, give that a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I hope you stick around. Hit the notification bell. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.